I want to teach you how to use scale. So if you want to make your object bigger or smaller, we can use scale in AutoCAD. So first I will just copy this one so that you will see the difference later on. On this side. So I wanted to scale this object. I want it to become bigger, 2 times bigger than this original size. So I can just type SC, which is the shortcut for scale, and then I will select the object and then enter. After selecting, you can choose the base point. So for me, I will choose this as my base point. And then I can just scale it. If it doesn't matter how big it is, or if dimension does not matter and you just want to make it bigger, then you can just choose how big you want it to be or how small. So, but for me, I just want it to become twice as big, so I can just type 2, enter. So this one is twice bigger than the original. Or for example, I want it to become smaller, so I will just press Ctrl Z for undo, so I will go back to the original size, and then I can just type SC again, enter, choose the object, enter, and then choose a base point. So for this time I want to choose this as my base point, and then I want it to be half smaller, so I can just type 0.5, enter. So now this figure is smaller than this one. See? Thank you.